back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. Today's video is going to be wig based. We are installing this wig here. It is beautiful, it is gorgeous, and it is beginner friendly. I used no glue. I did nothing to the unit, literally nothing to the unit. We took it straight out the pack, added a few curls here and there just to zhuzh it up a little bit. Used my flat iron because of course we got to make sure it is laying flat, but that is it. No glue, no holding spray, no lace spray, no plucking, no bleaching. We did nothing. So if you guys are interested in this super comfortable and beginner friendly wig, make sure you continue to watch. So today's unit comes from Wigs Hair. They sent over this body wave unit. It comes straight out of the packaging with some curls in it. The lace is already cut off. Let me give you guys a close-up of that because you gotta see that, because when I took it out of the packaging and I saw that, I was like, lit. This is everything. Like, you prepping this wig for me, Wigs, it's fire. So the unit is in the middle part. I'm going to leave it in the middle part for today's install. It's also pre-plucked. You guys can see that through that hairline. We love that. The only thing that you would possibly need to do is add a little bit of tint to your lace. You can see when I put my wig on. It is a little bit lighter, so I'm just going to take my bronzer powder and just go around the hairline very thoroughly, very detailed, to make sure that it does blend into my skin so it can look just like it's going on my scalp. Once I got finished with adding that powder, you guys can see that it looks so good. It blended right into the skin. I didn't have to do anything else besides that. Since it is a lace closure wig, you do have the ability to style it up if you want to. So you can make it into a side part, left to right if you want. But you know, I'm a middle part girly, so I left it at that. It was good for me. I love it that way.
When them nasty up, fix things, looping. Well, alright then, can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking a the fucking realest. Ching inna the Louis V best. Girl want with me squeeze silicone and real blessed. And a blow breeze for the head of the penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Chevy drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be 3 out 5, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with them lies. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to side, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spending my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
The only thing I did was use my new curling iron that I got from Amazon. It is linked in my description bar below. I love this new curling iron. It comes with, I think, 5 other heads, so you can change how you want your curls to come out. I use this pretty thicker one just to still mimic the same curls that the unit had in it. Now, you can wear the wig how it comes out of the packaging, but you know me, I had to do a little some extra, so I did cut some layers into it, and I feel like it just framed my face a whole lot better that way with having some nice layers across the face. And then I also added some layers towards the bottom, and those curls really didn't fall, which I like. And it's just a beautiful, like, rich black color. It looks really healthy. The hair is not shedding, it's not tangling. The cap size is big head friendly. Okay, I got a lot of space in this wig. Like, I got a lot of space back here. It has that elastic band in there. It has those adjustable straps in the back, so if you need to do it and make it fit to your head like you need it to, you can. But this is one of those wigs that you just gotta add it to your cart. Like, it's a really good everyday wig. It's a good wig to keep in your, what do you call it? Your wig closet? I have a wig closet, whatever you keep your wigs at. It's one of them ones that you gotta add in there, okay? So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'm gonna have a direct link to this exact wig on Westkit's website. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. And let me know your thoughts on this wig. And if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to hit 20K. I can't believe I hit 19K. Thank you to those who are subscribed already. I really, really appreciate you guys. Make sure you leave a like, a thumbs up, same thing, and a comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.